Today we are going to show you how to go from a rectangular shaped halogen downlight to a modern LED round downlight. Teclite Industries have developed an insert system to convert this rectangular hole to a single round hole suitable for smaller modern LED lighting. Uniquely to Teclite Industries, the finish will be truly trimless or absolutely flush to the ceiling, not on the ceiling. This is achieved by using Teclite Industries' Plaster-In insert system. The insert system consists of a base plate and an insert. We will now demonstrate how this system is installed. We have now removed the rectangular halogen light. Here we have our rectangular cutout, which we have modified to take the base plate and insert. We modified the cutout on each long side of the hole, trimming away a little bit of excess so that we can fit our base plate. As you can see, the base plate now covers the spaces on either end left by the oversized rectangular cutout. After checking the base plate fit, we screw the inner insert back in and do a quick check. For the plastering trade, it should be noted the plaster should not be above or below this rim. We now apply plaster to the perimeter of the base plate. Next, the base plate is placed into the cutout and pulled securely down into the plaster. The base plate is now fully back bonded and ready for the next step. Now that the base plate is securely set, we can wind the insert in a ring to approximately 1 to 1.5 millimeters below the ceiling level. Use a straight edge or ruler to set. We can now apply the first coat of plaster. For speed, we hold the insert in place to ensure no unwanted movement. This is sufficient for the first coat, and we can now let this dry for 10 to 15 minutes. The base plate is now securely bonded and in position. We can now apply the second coat of plaster. Make sure to keep the inner rebate the light will sit in free from all plaster. Clean this area after applying the plaster. Make sure to keep the inner rebate the light will sit in free from all plaster. The plaster is now scraped back in preparation for the final finishing coat. The third and final finishing plaster is now applied. Once again, ensure the inner rebate is cleaned out and free from all plaster. We now leave to dry. Once dry, the area can be sanded and painted, ready for fitting the light. Here we can see the LED light being test fitted. We can also see that it is totally flush to the ceiling. It is undetectable that this was once a rectangular old halogen dual light. After sanding and painting, the light is fitted by a registered electrician. Thanks to Teclite Industries' insert system, we now have a completely trimless install of our new LED light.